Hello. So lately on my Instagram stories, I've been liking the idea of compiling multiple photos or videos and all into one thought for the stories. It's a cool way to tell more of a story with one frame so people don't have to click through like 30 different Instagram stories just to see what you did that day. Open up your Instagram app, go to where you're gonna post a story, and then first you're gonna wanna select your background image. So I usually try to make that either like a darker underexposed picture or a texture. I'll use this one from the other day when we went climbing. Then jump over to your Photos app and go to the photo that you want to post. Click this little square with the arrow, click copy, and then jump back over to your story and it will say add sticker. That's all you have to do. And you can add as many as you want. Throw it on there. And if you want to use a video, you can't add it as a sticker later, so it has to be the bottom layer. So yeah, so I just used this video back into Photos, and I was able to copy my Strava thing with the mileage and stuff and throw that on there. Yeah, it's just a cool way to make things more interesting.